I just thought I'd do one recording of the back to show the state of the wires, and like I've got the spare ones tucked in the back, and I've got all these, so you can see the different cables right at the moment. These are all the data cables, so they're not connected to it, but eventually they're all going to be connected up to the side here, look. So I'll have the top one there, which is the other solid state, the main one, the sans disk. Then there's the other sans disk, which is the Vertex. Then there's the WD, the 2 terabyte. So that's the Mac boot. That's going to be the Windows boot, and that's going to be the unbooted one, which is the one that's installed in the moment. And then at the bottom is going to be the Seagate 3 terabyte, which is going to be configured for Mac, Windows, and the Ubuntu. And I don't know if you can not hear the fans, but all the 3 fans are going. So the CPU fan is going there. I don't know if you can actually see the underside fans there. Can you see that? Underneath the 2 graphics cards, and obviously the fan on this other fan here is good as well. On the PSG, the power unit. So there's 1 fan there, there's 2 fans there, and the USB, and then there's the 3 case fans. Like, I can hardly hear them. They haven't actually changed anything in the BIOS here. I mean, there was that problem I had with the starter before, but now I mean, listen to that. Probably the only thing you can hear is the dog snoring in the background, which is Maxi. Just say hello to Maxi. Quick hello, Maxi. It's your debut on YouTube channel there. Max, he's gone. Yeah, he's noisier than the fan, so. That's my little beast, my i5 processor now, 20 gig of RAM, which is, I'm just going to see how it goes. Soon if I push that limit, then I'm going to be doubling up, of course. But very nice. Let's see how good we're getting on with this install. Oh, we can restart. Okay, just put you back over here.